The Republic Army had a number of tanks and assault vehicles, but how much did they all cost? The All-Terrain Tactical Enforcer, or ATTE, was a multi-purpose military ground walker and a tank used by the Galactic Republic during the Clone Wars. It had 6 legs and 6 laser cannon turrets along its body, and a heavy projectile mass driver cannon atop the walker. It was one of the main ground vehicles for the Grand Army of the Republic throughout the Clone Wars. Its body consisted of 2 armor halves, which increased the walker's mobility, and its footpads were also equipped with terrain sensors and the ability to magnetize its feet, being able to scale just about any terrain, even capable of surviving the vacuum of space as it was pressurized. Featuring a crew of 6 and could support 20 clones, developed by the Rothana Heavy Engineering and the Quat Drive Yards. For one of these ATTE tanks, it would cost about 100,000 credits. Just being able to transport one of these tanks would cost even more, as a low altitude transport carrier cost around 175,000 credits. The HAVW A6 Juggernaut, or the A6 Juggernaut, could carry about 300 clone troopers and equipment along with other light speeders and crafts, featuring heavy laser cannon turrets and rapid repeating laser cannons with 2 medium anti-personnel laser cannons and 2 twin anti-personnel blaster cannons and 2 turret projectile launchers, meaning this was the most heavily armored tank in the Republic, featuring a crew of 12, but automation could be reduced to 2, traveling up to 100 miles an hour. Developed by the Quad Drive Yards, an A6 Juggernaut would go for about 350,000 credits. The ATTE, or All-Terrain Reconnaissance Transport, was a recon walker used for forward control, escort missions, and even light strike duties. Piloted by a single clone trooper, it was also used by police and civil defense forces. It could reach a speed of 45 miles an hour, and it came standard with a MAD 38 laser cannon, or could be swapped for a flamethrower or Z6 rotary blaster cannon. The ATTE also had powerful encrypted communication systems and a small but sophisticated sensor package, and a sound baffling system to assist in stealth operations. And because the ATTE was a highly customizable transport, it could go anywhere between 8 to 20,000 credits depending on the customization, and it was developed by the Quat Drive Yards. The TX-130 saber-class fighter tank was considered to be quick and nimble for an armored fighting vehicle and was able to enter fights very quickly. Armed with twin heavy laser cannons and also equipped with either a twin medium laser turret atop the tank or a TAM and back KB-50A beam cannon, or nothing at all. It also utilized armor-piercing shells, bunker-busting shells, or high-energy shells. The TX-130 was designed with the tactical flexibility of a starfighter, making it swift and agile, and it had a crew of 4, and it was developed by the Rothana Heavy Engineering Company, and it cost the Republic 85,000 credits. Having one of each of these 4 tanks, it would cost the Republic 545,000 credits. If the Republic needed a strike force to conquer a planet, requiring 1 A6 Juggernaut, 3 ATTEs, and 3 TX-130 Sabers, and 5 ATRTs, it would cost the Republic 955,000 credits. And just to transport the ATTEs, the Republic would need 3 low-altitude transport carriers, costing the Republic 525,000 credits. For all 15 of those vehicles, the grand total for the Republic would be 1,480,000 credits. And I guess that's how much Republic tanks cost. Subscribe if you would like, and until next video, goodbye.